What if the world was calling your name? Not with words, but with wonders. From cities built on water, to landscapes shaped by time itself. This is not just travel, this is Wonder Tour. Across continents and cultures, there are places that don't just exist. They leave a mark on your soul. Here, we're not visiting just one destination. We're chasing the feeling of discovery. Imagine standing where history was written in stone. Mountains rising like guardians of the earth. Waterways flowing through villages where time seems to slow down. This is the world, raw, real, and breathtaking. Travel isn't about ticking places off a list. It's about moments. The rush of realizing how big the world truly is, and how small our worries become when we explore it. On Wonder Tour, we don't just show you destinations, we guide you through experiences. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems. Every journey is crafted to inspire, surprise, and ignite your wanderlust. So if you dream of exploring the world, if your heart beats faster at the sight of a new horizon, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Wonder Tour and stay tuned. Turn on notifications and let's discover the wonders of our world, one unforgettable journey at a time.